creating stuff. We're family creating stuff, giving you ideas to create stuff of your own. And we're doing the crayon art.
Today we're doing bleeding crayon pictures. And so we have a white canvas. You could have a piece of paper, whatever you want to do. But we taped off a circle so that we want to put some writing underneath, so we don't want the crayon underneath that tape, so we taped it. But first, we need to take the paper off of our crayon. So we thought we'd have a fun little race. This side of the family against that side of the family. We'll see who can do the most crayons till we're all done. And we're going to put the crayons in the bowls, okay guys?
Okay.
Alright, on your mark, get set, go! Have a glue gun, and we're going to...
Wait, stop. We actually won.
Put crayons in the glue gun.
We'll do that another day. We're
we
going
won.
to glue the crayons. Like
we
this.
win. We win.
We're gonna make a circle all the way around.
Okay.
Or an oval. Okay.
All right.
Can I do one?
Yeah, we'll take turns. I'm gonna kind of put it like this. It's not gonna be perfect. We're just gonna do random colors
Oh, I understand.
all the way around.
It dripped a thing.
That's okay.
We're just gonna pull it off.
All right.
I'm gonna put it on.
I want
To do okay. And be careful. Make sure you have parents with your glue gun.
Oh, what's this one over here?
It's not supposed to be there.
Okay.
We're gonna do
Let's see.
all the way
on
around.
that one.
Should I put it on here first?
Yeah, put it. Make sure you put them next to each other. So now we're gonna take the tape off.
Whoa, that comes up.
Wait. I want it. I want it.
He wants all of the crayon putty.
I want it on my face.
Whoa.
No, don't put it on your face.
Okay.
That is cool.
And then we're gonna put something here.
Let's try and get these things out. Oh, no, that makes me
Don't
draw.
dry.
I can draw with my finger. Look at that.
Okay.
Nope, not anymore. Is there any more putty?
All right. So that is
Putty
our
crayon.
bleeding
Putty crayon. Putty
picture.
crayon. Look at
My
putty
putty
crayon. Mom, look at this. Putty crayon.
So
I like
I guess
putty
now
crayons.
we're gonna decorate the inside sometime, and we'll show you. But for now, that is how you make bleeding crayon art. It was a lot of fun, right, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So we should go do that. There's lots of different kinds of bleeding crayon art.
You
out
could
there.
make a
I think they don't call it
rainbow.
bleeding crayons. I think they call it melting crayons.
But it looks like when it's dripping, it looks
Bleeding
like
sounds
a
way better.
blood
Yeah, it
dripping.
does.
It's bleeding crayons. That's
So
it sounds pretty,
have fun.
actually.
Go create. Have a great day and subscribe. Bye. Here's our finished product. I simply printed our logo, Family Creating Stuff, and I Mod Podged it on there. Mod Podged. It's kind of like a glue, a clear glue.